Hello friends, this is Durga. As part of the setting up development environment on Mac for big data, in this video I will try to cover overview of big data sandboxes or virtual machine images. So they both are synonyms. Either they call it as big data sandboxes or quick start virtual machines or virtual machine images. So before getting into the details about the big data sandboxes, let's understand different vendors in Hadoop. So there are multiple vendors in Hadoop. Examples are Cloudera, Hortonworks, MapR, and many more. But Cloudera and Hortonworks are the most popular ones, then MapR. And each of these vendors try to distribute the Hadoop ecosystem. So what is Hadoop ecosystem? Hadoop ecosystem contains the core components, which are HDFS and YARN plus MR2. HDFS is distributed file system, and YARN plus MR2 is a distributed computing framework. On top of that, there are many ecosystem tools which facilitate in developing applications on top of these core components in quicker fashion for huge amounts of data. So those tools include Hive, which is similar to SQL, Pig, which is similar to scripting language, Scoop, an export-import utility, Spark, an in-memory computing framework, Flume, data ingestion tool from Weblogs into Hadoop, so that data can be processed and used for insights, etc. So there are many tools which comes as part of the Hadoop ecosystem or big data ecosystem. So Cloudera and Hortonworks as well as MapR are the vendors which will package all these open source tools and then provide management tools as part of their distribution. So the distribution contains the Hadoop ecosystem and also management tools so that the clusters can be managed easily. So for developer purpose, these vendors provide these sandboxes or virtual machine images which you can actually deploy on your PC. There are some prerequisites which you have to satisfy, and those prerequisites will be covered as part of the next video. And then you can start exploring the technology. It's very easy once you have the development environment. You don't need to spend too much money on setting up the environment. It's free. It will just take a few hours to set up these to set up the development environment for big data using these virtual machine images or sandboxes. If you don't use these things, then you have to set up each and every component by yourself, which can take 3 to 4 weeks and also error prone. So as part of this course, we will see how the Cloudera or Hortonworks sandboxes can be deployed, and then what are the tools that are required to be added on those virtual machines so that you can follow my other courses. So so as part of this course, I will cover both Cloudera as well as Hortonworks sandboxes or virtual machine images or quick start virtual machines. I will try to set up both Hortonworks VM as well as the Cloudera quick start VM on Mac, and then we will see we will review all the tools so that we can practice for other courses to become big data developer or engineer over time. Okay, so that being said, let me also take you to the websites. So cloudera.com is the website which actually provides the Cloudera quick start VM, and also Hortonworks.com, which will provide you Hortonworks sandbox. Okay, so we will use these things, but before setting up these virtual machines, we have to set up the virtualization software. So as part of this video, we will see as part of future videos, we will first see how to set up this virtualization software. Then we will be downloading the virtual machine images or sandboxes, and then we will preview the tools, and then we will start using those things as part of future courses. That being said, if you like the course, please click on the please provide the feedback. Please provide the comment if you see any issue with the content, so that I can improvise over time. And also please stay tuned for my courses if you want to build your career in big data. There will be plenty of other courses which will be developed as part of my company, in Udemy to define your career in big data ecosystem. That being said, thank you. Bye.